Well, it's Christmas week and got a bonus visit to the laundromat at Twyford, and I finally got to use the jumbo JLA. 2 attempts I wanted to use this one previously, but gentleman put his duvet in, so I let him use it, as I wanted to race those ones at that time anyway. Second attempt, it was already on with a big load, but there was an opportunity to try the other ones down there out, which is exactly what I did, and now going to use this one. Well, this has made my Christmas, so I finally got to use the jumbo JLA, and it's on fast warm wash. It's just going to take 20 minutes. Got my bedding, blankets and things in there. And I'm using liquid tabs today instead of powder. So I thought liquid tabs are easier to use. This is one of the 3 JLAs that I kept during the refurb. So finally got to use it at last, after 2 attempts to use it previously with a big wash. The waiting's finally paid off. That's the grey ADC in the background that's sleeping behind me, just finished as well. Again, I'm lucky I've got the place to myself, and yeah, this has made my day and my Christmas. I'm finally getting to use the jumbo JLA. Just see how happy I am. Yeah, getting nice and sudsy in there now.